Hi guys, this is Piper, and a lot of you have asked if my AirPods hold while I do many exercises. Well, I'm gonna test them for you today. Yeah, throughout many exercises. We're going all fitness. Woo! First, I need to tie my shoes. Now I'm gonna place my AirPods in my ears. And I'm ready to go. You ready for the test? Let's go. The AirPods did a pretty good job at holding in the toughest of situations. Well, except for maybe one, but I'll let you draw your own conclusion on the subject, because sometimes reading a book is kind of hardcore, depending on the book you're reading. So, I really love my AirPods. Tell me all about it in the comments if you think you're gonna buy some because of my video. Yeah! Don't forget to visit piperblush.com for more of me, and also subscribe to my channel!